Hello, welcome friends. Asli Bunia welcomes you once again. Today we have brought you another IPO review, that is Metropolis Healthcare Ltd. Let's see whether to apply or not to apply in this IPO. Our disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst and this report has been made only for educational purposes, and please consult your SEBI registered investment advisor before investing in this IPO. Will not accept any liability due to application in this IPO. Now, Metropolis Healthcare Limited. MHL is one of the leading diagnostics company in India by revenue as of March 31st, and it operates from around 19 states in India with leadership position basically in West and South of India. So, MHL offers basically they have around 3,500 laboratory tests and 530 profiles. So and it covers around 197 cities in India as of December 31st, 2018. Now the IPO is opening on 3rd of April. The IPO will close on 5th of April. The face value of the share is rupees 2. Now the lot size for this IPO is 17, so minimum order quantity will be 17. The issue price band is from 877 rupees per share to 880 rupees share. There is no retail discount in this, and the minimum investment application comes to rupees 14,960. And after the IPO, the share will be listed at both NSE as well as PSE. The equity capital, the current equity of the company is around 10 crores. The issue size is around 1.36 crore shares of rupees 2. There is no fresh issue of shares. The existing shareholders are selling their shares and the proceedings will also go to them. So offer for sale is 1.36 crore shares. So there is no change in equity. So total new equity remains same as 10.04 crores. Reservation in this IPO is 75% is QI for QIB, 15% is for high net worth individuals, and 10% is for retail investors. The objects of this issue, since the company is not issuing any fresh capital, so existing shareholders are selling their shares in this IPO, so the company will not get any proceedings. The company wants to achieve the benefits of listing of equity shares on stock exchanges, and they expect that listing of equity shares will enhance their visibility and brand image, and ultimately it will provide liquidity to their shareholders. Now, looking at the financials, if you see, for the year ending March 31st, their total income was around 490 crores, which has grown to 651 crores. And for the first 9 months of this year, it has 566 crores, and it looks like it will go up to 750 crores. The profit after tax has grown from 81 crores to, for first 9 months of this year, 88 crores. So it is going to top the last year full profit of 109 crores. Similarly, the EPS has grown from 15 rupees per share to 20 rupees per share for last year ending March 31st, 2018, and for first 9 months of this year, the EPS is around 17, which is quite good. So the business is growing very good. Now looking at the cash flow, company is generating good amount of cash flows uh, from their operating activities, and they are returning that cash which they have borrowed from financing activities. So the company is currently debt free. So quite that is quite good. So positive, the company operates in both B2C and B2B segment. So the diagnostics market, India has the population is quite young and slowly it will get old. So the diagnostic market is expected to expand at a very high pace. So currently it is expected to grow at 34% by year 2020, and the company is debt free, and the company paid dividend of around 13 rupees per share in February 2019, which accounts to dividend yield of 1.5%. Negatives, none. So competitors as per DHRP. So Metropolis Healthcare has shown one company, Dr. Lal Pathlas, as a peer. So the basic EPS is almost similar. The P by E ratio is around 50 for Lal Path Labs. Now coming on to the valuation, the issue appears fully priced in the highly unorganized industry of diagnostics. The P by E ratio comes to 37, looks like a fully priced offer. Basically, I'm not a huge fan of high P's companies, so that's why if you see, I have allocated a high risk matrix for this IPO. So only investors with high risk appetite should apply in this IPO. Listing gains probability is medium. It is medium because of good market condition. Otherwise, the IPO seems to be fully priced in. So if the market conditions were not good, I would have brought it in the low listing gains for this IPO. So thank you very much. So friends, if you liked my report, subscribe to my channel now by clicking on the link below the blue colored arrow. Thank you very much and see you next time.